Okay, alright. Hi and welcome back to our educators. So ini video part 5 I guess, untuk reaction of group 1 elements with water, oxygen gas and also chlorine gas. Okay, so previous video saya dah bincang dah reaction of group 1 elements with water dan juga with oxygen gas. So now I have another two. The first one is when your alkali metals burn in chlorine gas. Okay, so I put number 3. So you ikut tau the numbering yang saya dah letak kat sana. Okay, nanti jangan pula kata you confused dengan my notes. Okay, so number 3 I have alkali metals. Okay, so ambil your alkali metal. Just now I put dengan oxygen gas, betul? So now I want to put with chlorine gas. Okay, so when I put it with chlorine gas, macam ni cerita dia. Dia akan form tadi metal oxide sebab oxygen gas. So now dia akan form metal chloride. Tu je. Okay, so kalau ditanya what is the difference when alkali metals react with oxygen and chlorine gas, kalau dia react with oxygen gas it will form metal oxide, while if it reacts with chlorine gas it will form metal chloride. Itu sahaja difference-nya, no other difference. Understand? But still this metal chloride also white solid. Itu sahaja. Okay, so still white solid. So tak kisahlah you punya alkali metals react dengan apa pun, but it will form white solid. Itu sahaja you kena ingat. Okay, so I give 3 examples. Okay, first example, your alkali metal is lithium. Okay, react with chlorine gas Cl2, so it will form metal chloride, betul? So your metal is Li plus and chloride is Cl minus. Silangkan cas. So jadi LiCl minus. LiCl minus. Okay, tapi minus memang tak adalah sebab dia silang cas kan. Tapi Cl ada 2. So ni ada 2, ni pun ada 2. Dah seimbang. If let's say your alkali metal now is sodium, so Na lah. So Na react with chloride gas, so dia akan form NaCl. Cl kat sini 2, kat sini 1 je. So balance, letak 2, ni pun letak 2. Dah balance. Okay, then you have potassium, then react with chlorine gas, then it will form potassium chloride. Okay, Cl, then letak 2, sini pun letak 2. So this is the complete reaction. Faham tak? Whatever it is, if your alkali metals react dengan chlorine gas, dia akan form metal chloride, and the metal chloride is depends on the alkali metal. If let's say it reacts dengan lithium, it is lithium chloride. If it reacts with potassium, potassium chloride. Faham tak? Kena tahu you punya alkali metal, then you tahu the name of your metal chloride. Okay, but all of these are metal. Lithium is a metal, sodium is a metal, and potassium also a metal. That's all. So if in the exam people ask you what is the color or what is the similarity between the metal oxide and metal chloride, so you can say both of it is white solid. Itu saja. Metal chloride form when alkali metals react with chlorine gas, while metal oxide form when alkali metals react with oxygen. Itu sahaja. But in terms of color, they are same color. Okay, so I write it here as well. Remember, metal chloride, the color of metal chloride is white lah. Okay, so of metal chloride is white. So kat sini saya dah make it very clear what everything looks like, what you should know. So itu saja untuk this first three reaction. Okay, tapi dia ada another one reaction which you learn indirectly. Okay, if you buat the experiment then you know lah. Okay, which is number 4 kat sini. Okay, just now ingat tak, when your alkali metals react dengan oxygen, they form metal oxide. So what happen if this metal oxide saya letak dalam air pula? Okay, that is what this fourth point is about. Okay, mana dia? Kat sini. Okay, so wait, I write number 4 right here. Okay, it is about when your metal oxide reacts with water, what it will form. Okay, so you know your metal oxide is lithium oxide, natrium oxide and potassium oxide, correct? Okay, come. Metal oxide, 1 minute. pen dah mula bahal. Okay, metal oxide reacts with water, H2O. Okay, tak apalah, I write the name of okay, sorry. So your metal oxide react with water. Okay, when they react dengan water, it will form alkaline hydroxide. Okay, maksudnya it will form an alkali solution lah. Okay, nama lagi comel secara kimia we call alkaline solution or alkaline hydroxide. Okay, so it's just a matter of same. Ramai orang kata kat sini, kenapa dia tak letak hydroxide? Tambah je lah hydroxide kalau you nak sangat. Okay, I dah tahu tambahkan dah. So form an alkaline hydroxide solution. Okay, let's say your metal oxide kat step nombor 2 ni is lithium oxide, right? Okay, so you take this lithium oxide. Wait now, I use this pen. Okay, your lithium oxide. Okay, Li2O. Mengacau lah advertisement ni. Okay, plus with H2O. Okay, so when dia react dua-dua ni, it will form alkaline hydroxide. So your alkaline metal is Li dan OH. Then cuba tengok, ni dua lah, balance lah. This is how this fourth one works. So your metal oxide kat sini, this one, this fella you reactkan dengan water. Just now you just reactkan the metal only with water. Now you reactkan metal oxide pada dengan water. So what they're trying to say is, you punya alkaline metal you boleh reactkan dengan dua cara. Either you ambil alkali metal tu, the metal itself, terus react it with water, dia akan jadi alkaline hydroxide. Atau next way is, to get the alkaline hydroxide, apa you boleh buat? You boleh take your metal oxide, when your metal react with oxygen, ambil product tu, you put it in water. So you will still get lithium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Faham? Okay, ni kalau lithium oxide. Okay, let's say lah my metal is sodium oxide. Wait lang. Okay, Na2O react with H2O, so they will form NaOH, correct? And try to see the formula. Letak dua lah, balance lah, tu je. Kalau your metal oxide is potassium oxide plus H2O, then you will form 2KOH, which is potassium hydroxide. Itu sahaja. This is what this fourth reaction is about. Okay, sodium metal solid metal oxide will form an alkaline hydroxide solution when dissolved in water. For example, reaction of lithium oxide with water. So it's all a matter of, you kena ingat dah after this. Okay, remember that all your alkaline hydroxide, okay, all your alkaline hydroxide is colorless solution. Okay, is a colorless solution. So you kena tahu benda itu wajib you tahu. Jangan kata you tak tahu benda ni. It's very important to know. Okay, because dalam exam paper dia boleh ask, what is the color of metal chloride, ataupun dia bagi sodium chloride, then dia tanya what is the color. Okay, you know sodium chloride is garam yang mak you guna kat dapur. Go and see in the dapur, garam warna apa. Ada ke garam warna biru kat rumah you? Kalau mak you guna garam warna biru dalam masakan, memang terror lah your mom. Okay, so memang itu saja yang saya nak sampaikan untuk this particular note. So I already discussed this part, like very requested from students. So I dah arrange according my own notes. For me lah, personally I feel number 3 ni kena duduk ke atas, number 4 kena duduk ke bawah, baru dia macam lagi better lah untuk saya. But tak tahu kenapa buku tak susun macam ni. There might be some reasons. Okay, it's not a thing for you to nak argue. You punya main business adalah, after this video, scan this QR code. Okay, scan this QR code and see what they are telling. Okay, I don't want to tell out what they tell. I already scan out for myself. Okay, so boleh salin these notes. Kalau ada any questions, please drop out in the comment box. Itu sahajalah from me for this video. I will meet you in next video. Adalah for the experiment lah. Okay, after this only kita akan bincang eksperimen. So I already tell to you how does the experiment goes on. Okay, I already tell you what is the product. So you takkan blur lah if the teacher when buat eksperimen dia tanya, okay, lithium saya letak dalam water, what is the product? Jangan blur-blur, atau jangan kata cikgu kat channel educators ni tak mengajar. Saya kasih satu tumbuk kat you. Okay, taklah main-main je. Okay, ingat, if your teacher ask, apa akan berlaku, what will happen if your elements, which is lithium for example, react with water, then you say, oh teacher, if my alkyl metal reacts with water, it will form alkaline solution and hydrogen gas. Tu je. If your teacher asks, then what will happen if your alkali metals react with oxygen gas, then it will form metal oxide. If your metal react with chlorine, it will form metal chloride. You should tell your teacher, you should explain. This part is very very crucial. This page is very 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 crucial. Okay, so pastikan you ingat benda tu. Jangan kata you tak tahu or you tak ingat. Alright, okay, itu saja from me for this video. Sorry if the video is too lengthy or you feel like anything tak faham. Kalau tak faham, just let me know in the comment box. Okay, I can teach for you. Alright, that's all. Bye.